Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can block someone else's account on Instagram and block any future account that they will create or the current account that they already have. This is an option where any account that was created from this original account that message you will be blocked as well. Let's launch the Instagram app and let me show you. For example, let's say we want to block this lady over here. We want to click on her account. We want to go on her account. You want to click on the upper right corner over here, and then you want to click block account. Okay, then you will see that when you click block and report, which is the second option, the Instagram will ask you, do you want to block any current other account that is in connection with this account, and do you want to block any future accounts that this account might actually create. And this is where you're gonna click yes, and you're gonna block the current account, any current accounts that are associated with this account, and any future accounts that will be coming from this account as well. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.